Alrighty, so in order to change the brakes on this car, you're gonna do first thing first, which I cannot do, so I'm gonna have to narrate, and it should be very easy to follow. You shouldn't have any problems. If you have problems following my instructions, then you probably shouldn't be changing the brakes to begin with. Alright, so you're gonna get in your car. I cannot do that right now because brakes are already off. Alright, so here we go. You want to put the key inside of the ignition. Put the key inside of the ignition and set it to the first, to put it on, to ACC or whatever the hell it's called. To access the service menu, you need to enter the key into the dash, turn it to the position 1, then press right telephone accept button, which is right here on the steering wheel, and press the OK button on the steering wheel and keep both buttons pressed for about 5 seconds. The workshop menu should appear. Scroll down to the brake pad change using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel and then press OK. A confirmation should appear to move to assembly position. Confirm again using the OK, the button right here. Do not press the brake pedal during this procedure, and a message should appear letting you know the procedure is complete and the motor for the parking brake is back or wound back. Turn the ignition off. Do not remove the key. Do not remove the key. Once you're done everything, once the change is complete, turn the ignition back to position 1 and message should appear again. Assembly position, reach, exit assembly position, press OK. Okay, so now that you've done that, you're gonna come to this right here and you're gonna have to start disassemble. And there's a little problem with this little thing because on the front and the back it's different. On the front you can clip it out, on the back there's nothing. We tried to look at it, there's nothing we couldn't see online, so you can't really replace or remove this thing out so you can compress. So you can use a classic caliper compressor. It doesn't work with this model, but we found a way to do it, and right now this is gonna go throughout this disassembly process. What is that?
13 millimeters.
That's a 13 mil.
Yes. They connect the...
The sensor?
No, that's brake, rear parking brakes.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
Alright, so that's the easy part.
You see? That's...
So right here, right now,
You see this? Glue it. Not take out.
it's glued, so you can't
Yes,
take it out.
Not take out. I check any position. Not.
We cleaned it, we looked at it, you can't take it out. So in order for a classic piston compressor to work, you need to have this empty, so you can clamp it here and just push it.
That's, you see, you take 2,
But
3 bars. If you take the 3 bars.
and you're gonna use it as a leverage
See?
and compress it back. a little bit hard because we were filming and everything.
Done. That's it.
All done.
Done.
And now you can
And we
pop the
take-
brakes out. Because both brakes and rotors are going out.
Take 18. Take 18. First a little bit. That's it. Just gonna be put like this. And I use 18 ratchet wrench.
And he was saying sweep bar is not sweep bar, it's a pry bars. So we're just using two pry bars.
You use two pry bar. See? That's finish. Yeah, we use 30. I use 30 with torch. Torque. You see? That's it. It's done. Good time. Yeah, that's it. We need to clean this.
Sadly, we don't have, because the owner of the vehicle bought a brake pads and rotors, but the rotors were wrong, so it's gonna do that tomorrow. So I cannot show the complete install today, but we'll see.
That's we clean and put grease. Copper grease. We put copper grease.
Is it copper grease or is it
Yeah, I
anti-seize?
put a copper grease. I show you. That's I clean. First I clean. No problem.
I think it's called anti-seize or something, copper anti-seize.
Prepare for tomorrow.
Yeah, we're gonna do the prep job today and then just simple install tomorrow.
I use that. Now we put. Somebody put a silver, somebody put a copper. I put every time copper.
Show you exactly what it is. Let me see for a second. All right, let me see the. I was right. It's anti-seize.
Yeah, look at writing.
Why didn't you give me the manual right away?
That's
So I can
I
show.
press this one on the foil.
Come on, focus. All right. So, do that.
Let's prepare for tomorrow.
and
clean
just
the-
clean the
clean the-
get the rust off
Clean,
and
complete
put a
change the change. We clean everything and
it's you're gonna have to do the same thing here. You already removed it. You just need to take this down. Those are pretty thick brake pads. Alright, so if you can compare new and used, old, see how thin that is, look how thick that is. Stupid light. Alright, so you can see the difference right here. Big difference.
I take the brush a little bit more.
Return this, I doesn't get lost. Alright, so finish off this video tomorrow, or if not, I'm just gonna upload it as this, because we're looking at other YouTube videos and there's nothing. Nobody shows the back. Like the front is easy, but nobody shows the back, and I'm assuming because of this thing, nobody knows how to replace that, or if they break it. It is Mercedes, like we don't want to. You can remove that. I don't know how much would that affect the braking or whatnot. I don't think it would whatsoever. But you want to do it the right way. You don't want to break anything and then glue it or weld it or whatever, or just not install it completely.
Very
Fire
important
brush.
to clean this the seats for a brake pad. If you not clean, it also seize up the pads. It no go and seize up, brakes no work good.
You mean they wouldn't move properly?
Yeah, no slide. Then clean, and I put every time new sliders. Every time I put new sliders, and
Is there a brake pad sensor on this one?
I have
Yeah.
brake pad. Put every time new.
No, I seen another video that they had some sensor. This one has a
Sensor,
too?
yes, you have put one side have sensor. This side, passenger side rear have sensor.
Okay. Alright, so this is like 14 minutes right now long.
Look this now. You see, very easy go.
It's sliding easy.
Yeah, look, that's good.
Alrighty, so everything else is pretty much,
Prepare for tomorrow.
yeah.
We clean this, take and clean.
This video helped you out, let me know, please subscribe, let me hit that mile marker. We'll bring more videos. I want that mile marker. Want to be able to advertise and do other things, so thanks for watching.